This is the sound of hope. As the SCU Lightning Complex turns into the second largest wildfire in the state's history, firefighters grow constantly concerned of the steep terrain that's making it harder to contain.
Build a defensive area, create line that we can then fire off of.
With over 360,000 acres torched, CAL FIRE's main strategy is to build a defense line by air. 2 fire-retardant helicopters refuel at this base every 5 to 10 minutes to give these homes a fighting chance of survival.
We're picking up about 2,000 gallons each trip. Total so far in the past 5 days, I think we've gone through about 260,000 gallons.
So this is the winning strategy?
This is a great strategy, yeah, absolutely. Really helps the ground resources.
Underground resident Doug Martin has experienced firsthand the fury of these flames inching up to their Sunol home.
That was all on fire. Mission Peak was all on fire. We knew the McGuire Peaks one was...
So you were basically surrounded by flames.
Yeah, we've had it on all sides.
He watched small flames turn his living room view into an intimidating scene. He's been evacuated 3 times in the last week.
Yesterday it was like a apocalypse or something.
Firefighters have no time to waste. They're seen here refueling their water tanks with this pond surrounded by torch brush. There are at least 13 homes 3 miles from this ridge.
Everyone up here is aware of the danger. And if you look here, you see all this grass here has been mowed very short. You know, everyone's really conscientious about building up a defensible space.
260,000 gallons of fire retardant has been dropped in the last 9 days. Today it's been 36,000 gallons. Many residents tell us every time they hear those helicopters around this area, it's a hopeful sound. They tell us that's what's keeping them here, that's what's keeping them here, hopeful that their homes are going to stay standing. Many of them telling us that they're not going to leave this area until they know that they have to. They're not under mandatory orders to evacuate, so they're staying put, fighting from their home. Here in Sunol, Luz Peña, ABC 7 News.